closed.
Mm-hmm.
So the first one you want to open is this one. And on a gate valve, you want to open it all the way and then back it off just a bit.
Mm-hmm.
You want to leave this. This is not very valuable. This valve here is not valuable until you start having flow, material flow. Now, if you want, so if you're ready to do everything from the front, from the beginning, you can turn this one on, and if you've got those all off, you don't have to worry about there being anything back there. Ready? Okay. It's only a quarter of a turn.
Mm-hmm.
So we're back here. You'll notice that you've got a cascade here. You've got this one will turn the valves on to these, to everything, but primarily if you turn it, you'll get it to the two middle ones. These are on the outside. They will not turn on. You can turn these on and nothing will happen, because they come after this.
Mm-hmm.
They're all off of this one. But if you turn these on, you'll turn those. If you turn this one on, you'll get the two middle ones on.
Mm-hmm.
So, what does that tell you? It might be worthwhile just to try to get the middle ones lit before you turn the out one side ones on. So this is going to be interesting. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it's a little bit safer to try to do it from the top than it is from the bottom. You can do it from either one, but when you're actually operating this, normally you're ready to drive.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason is you don't want to sit in one place for any length of times, because pretty soon these rocks start exploding when they get hot.
Okay.
So we're going to try this out. We're going to see how it goes. You know, I'm only doing it about 1/8 of a turn.